Today, we're going to add a glitch transition to your video. This effect gives a cool, broken digital look, perfect for music videos, futuristic edits, or adding some style to your clips. Let's get started. First, make sure you've got at least two clips in your timeline. You'll notice a white square icon between the clips. Go ahead and tap on it to open the transition menu. Once you're in the menu, swipe over to the glitch tab. Here, you'll find several glitch transitions to choose from, each with its own unique digital effect. Whether you want a quick distortion or a more intense glitch, there's something for every style. Pick the one you like and use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the glitch happens. A short duration creates a quick, snappy glitch, while a longer duration gives the transition more time to develop. Once you're happy with it, tap the check mark to apply the transition. And you're done. You've added a stylish glitch transition to your video. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot tips and tricks.